How to copy text from a protected blog using Microsoft Edge. At times, you may have the interest of copying text from a blog or website, but are restricted from copying. There is always a way out. If you know, you know. There is an adage that says, there are several ways to kill a cat. But if you know only one way, how would you tackle issues like this when restricted from copying a document you are longing to have? TechTricksGh will walk you through the process. Disclaimer: this tutorial is solely for educational purposes. At times, when you drag to copy a text from a blog, you may do all you can, but your efforts may not yield any good results. In some situations too, you may try to right-click on the blog to copy. That too may prove futile. Due to your little background in ICT, you may press Ctrl+P on the keyboard to enable you to print the document to file. Nonetheless, the response you get is this document is protected, or no access, or you have limited access. If you can't right-click on the page to access the web select command, there is also a way out. That will help you enable the right-click command. You may need to download and install a third-party extension that will allow you to right-click or copying to be possible. On the other hand, if you can right-click on the page, there is no need to download the third-party software. Just join us when we are through with the installation. TechTricksGh. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials. Step 1. Search for the third-party extension using a search criterion such as copy-paste extension for Edge. When you find it, install it and enable the extension to perform its role. Step 2. Right-click on the page to select Web Select from the list. Step 3. Click and drag to select or highlight the protected page. Step 4. Just copy it to clipboard. Move to the exact page you want to paste. Paste it and you're good to go. In our next video, we will teach you a trick that will blow your mind. Just subscribe, share, like, and comment on our videos to give us a reason to do more.